Do you want to know how you can log into your giant payroll account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. This video is about how you can log into your giant payroll account. So let's go ahead and start with the video. First of all, open any browser, go to the search bar and then search for Giant Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will directly take you to the official login portal of Giant Group, and you can see that this is your payroll login account, so you can write down your account name or your username in this box. After you write down your username or your email address, go ahead and click on the second box and write down your password. Then the next step is to look your password or check your password once and then click on I'm not a robot. Make sure your username and password are associated with your Giant Payroll account. After you write down your username and password, click Login. This way, you can successfully log into your Giant Payroll account. If you are having problems about your password and have forgotten the password, this is the link you can go through to recover your password back. So guys, this is how you log into your Giant Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.